The State Court of Appeals today heard arguments intended to resolve an election for a state Supreme Court seat.
WRAL Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie is live outside that court right now with what both sides told the judge. Laura.
Dan, that race has been unresolved since November because Republican candidate Jefferson Griffin sued, basically, the State Board of Elections. Griffin is challenging tens of thousands of voters, many of them Democrats, but some of them also Republicans. He says their votes should be thrown out after the fact. Well, after two recounts, Griffin finished more than 700 votes behind Democratic incumbent Allison Riggs. Griffin says more than 60,000 votes cast in the November race should not have been counted. His attorney, Craig Schauer, told the court many of the challenged voters are missing required information in the state's voter registration database and should not have been allowed to cast a ballot.
To be clear, this case is not about changing laws after the election. It's a case about enforcing the laws that were already on the books before the election.
These rules have been in place for a long time, and there was plenty of opportunity to bring challenges to these rules well in advance of the November 2024 general election.
That's Nick Broad. He is the attorney for the State Elections Board. He pointed out that those challenged voters all had to prove their identity through voter ID before they were able to cast a ballot. The State Board of Elections has already ruled against Griffin's challenge. So has a trial court here in Wake County. So it'll probably take days or weeks to get a decision here from this appeals court. The loser of today's hearing is likely to appeal that to the state Supreme Court. So still a ways to go. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.